Hi, today I will show you how you can use the auto, and I am making a whole playlist on Search Atlas. I'm giving link in the description. If you want to watch a whole playlist on Search Atlas, just go and watch it on my playlist. So let me share you the whole complete guide on auto. So this is one of the best tool in SEO for automation right now in 2026, and let me share the whole concept on this thing. Okay, so let me start from AISU. For example, here's the site name. Then you can see the optimization score here. Then you can see the flawless pages here. For example, how much pages that already is optimized and already is done. Okay, then then the auto will show you issues fixed, how much is issues fixed and how much is remaining right now. Then you can check from auto is engaged or not. For example, if you can go and turn off this thing. For example, if I right now don't use auto, so what I can do is like I can disengage the auto. And if you like this video, please subscribe to us. If you need any help in such atlas, you can comment us and like our video. And you can also follow on our Facebook if you need, I mean, local SEO service for your small business. So you can disengage this thing, and you can also anytime engage this thing. Okay, so if you don't know about Search Atlas, and if you think that you can do one-click SEO, mean deploy every single thing in Search Atlas, you just need to deploy all. But the point is, I don't want to recommend this thing because this you can't do SEO in one click. Okay, but auto will give you this function. Okay, then you can check from tasks to do. For example, 12 tasks right now. There's like page title remaining, meta description, heading optimization, H1 issues with the link, NLP terms, NLP fact. So from this function, I can check how much task right now is remaining. Then you can check the Google My Business Profile connection. Then you can see Google Search Console integration. This is one of the most important thing, because if you do the integration with Search Atlas, it's mean that they will crawl, extract data from Search Console. So this is very important. Then you can see knowledge graph. Knowledge graph is one of the important thing if you are doing SEO in search, sorry, auto. So here is the basic info. For example, you can see knowledge graph here. Knowledge graph is extremely important. For example, you need to fill all this information, so the auto will give you analysis and suggestions and SEO operations based on this knowledge graph. Then the top pages will automatically crawl from the search atlas. So this is also an important thing. Then business address is extremely important because they will add your business address in your schema. Okay. Then social profile is an important authorship. If you add authorship here, then and the authors is also added in the content. Then image and videos is also an important part of the knowledge graph. Then you can see autopilot. You can see AI writing. If you think that you're good in prompt engineering, then you can give additional AI prompt instruction. Then you can see autopilot schedule running 7 days. This is important because based on this thing, auto will find an issue that are new and fresh on your website. Then you can see a user agent. For example, if you think that a user agent if you think that the search atlas bot is not working properly, there's a lot of other bot. For example, Yandex bot, Bad the Spider, Slurp, Bing bots. There's a lot of other bots. Then crawl frequency should be on weekly. Pages to crawl should be on the 10,000 pages. Then crawl speed is like 10 pages per second is good. Crawl criteria, robot.txt. This is also important because you should respect robot.txt file. Then JS rendering, yes. If you think that any irrelevant subdomain data is extracting from the hosting, then you should add the condition here. Okay, then you just need to update the setting, or you can check from auto installation from here. and experimental hub is here. So these are the different thing, but you just need to do the auto settings. Okay, so this is also an important thing. Then you can see 23 hours, 50 minutes right now save. Then quota is right now available. And if I can check the detailed domain overview report, I just need to click here and they will show me a report builder from here. Okay, so this is a report builder. Then I need to go the title tag. This is also, oh, let me share another thing. There's a recommended by category. For example, there's first category is technical fixes. Okay, in technical fixes there's only title tags, meta description, missing all tag, issues with the link, meta keywords, heading optimization, heading length, canonical, open graph, record. These are the things. Then in the content of, there's a four option. For example, missing keyword, internal linking opportunities, semantic analysis and knowledge graph optimization, and this thing. Then in new content, you can publish the topical map here. Then in schema markup, you can publish a schema directly to your home page. Then indexing, these are the directly you can index your pages from here. Dynamic indexing, just need to go here and add pages from the search console and also from here. Then Google My Business Profile, local SEO is another part. Link build is another part. You can order Cloud Stack from here, press release from here, and Wildfire from here. This is also digital outreach. This is also an important thing. Okay, so let me share you from all. So in title tags, let me share you another quick tip for you. You just don't go and deploy new title tag, because look at this thing. They are not well, because the branded title at the start and the keywords is on the second phase. So what you can do, you just need to go and add your main keyword in your meta title. That's it, and deploy it. And if you think that you don't know about your main keyword, you need to go to Google Search Console and find top three keywords from here and just add it here. This is the simplest thing that you can do in title tag to optimize that. Don't rely on just completely on AI, because sometimes it's not work. You just need to go. Let me tell you again. Just go to your search console, find top three keywords from each page, and optimize your meta title on it. This is the simplest thing that you can do. Then in meta description, this you can also go to Google Search Console, find top three queries from here that are right now ranking on against each page, and just optimize your meta description. This is the simplest thing. Missing image all tag, this is the one time deploy in all category. Okay, let me show you this button. This is called the deploy all in one category. You just need to click this button, deploy all in category. That's it. You don't need to go and deploy everything missing all tags, because this is the very low level SEO effort. So you don't need to make your 100% effort and make your use your mostly time on it. So you just go and deploy in all categories. That's it. This is the simplest thing. Then the issues with the category, you also need to go and deploy in the all category. Meta keyword, you can also check one time which keyword right now optimization on the main page. For example, drywall repair, we are checking the drywall repair, franchise drywall repair, ceiling repair. So you need to make sure that you are checking the right pages. Then the heading optimization, this is also an important thing. And what you can do, you can let me share another thing, another technical stuff in Search Atlas. Look at this thing. This is the H1. Okay, so this is a little bit glitch in auto, because I am really expert in auto. So let me share another thing. If this thing is showing H1 here, for example, if there's already H1 on the page, then there's a 2H1 on the same page. So this is a technical stuff. So you need to make sure that this one should be converted into H1 before you deploy it. Okay, this is the simplest thing that you can do. This is a simple glitch on this tool. Okay, so this is not a big deal. Not any tool is not no one tool is perfect right now. Okay, so heading lengths right now, heading length is also important, but the point is, if you just deploy this thing, this will badly ruin your UX UI, your design, because these heading length are very lengthy, and you need to make sure that if you deploy anything from here, then you also need to make sure that you are going to see what is happening on the front end of the page. Okay, then you need to make sure that canonical issue should be deployed from here. Then open graph and Twitter card, this is the low level SEO effort. Open graph and Twitter card just need to go and deploy in all categories. That's it what you can do. This is not a thing that you can give your hour and hour. Okay, then missing keyword, this is also an important thing. Internal linking opportunities, this is important thing. Let me share, this is the important thing that you can put your SEO effort, put your more of your time here, because this will help you to crawl more and more and more and more pages. Okay, so let me share you. For example, right now there's a page called tag drywall, and if I can deploy this thing, it's mean this thing deploy pages from this page. There's an internal link goes to this page. But the point is, let me share another whole concept of this. If you are doing SEO and publishing 100 blog posts for another site, then make sure that you are internal link from your from your service page. For example, this is your service page to your uh, blog post. Okay, so if you this thing is your service page, then you need to make sure that you add source page from here, add your anchor text, add your blog post page, and then internal link back to your service page. This will help you a lot to rank your service page. Okay, so this is a very basic SEO trick that I am right now sharing you. Then semantic analysis, knowledge graph optimization, this is also an important. For example, look at this thing, they are giving me 28 terms. Okay, for example, you need to deploy every term if you want to make sure that these terms are relevant to your page. And you can see these terms will always be in the schema. Look at this thing. And let me go to another thing, knowledge based trust and factual enhancement. You need to make sure that this thing also um, deploy. And let me share another thing. If you seen that there's no page is available here, it's mean that you're not connecting a search console, or you are like you don't add pages from here. Okay, if you think that there's nothing here, you need to go add pages from here. And for this thing, make sure that your Google search console is connected, integrated. Okay, then you can go to topical map. Topical map is one of the most important thing in SEO. And let me show you how you can generate the topical map. I have already make a video on topical map, you can see from my playlist. Okay, then these are the relevant thing in SEO. Custom HTML schema markup is important thing. And when you let me show you another thing. um, when you complete the knowledge graph, then the all the information from knowledge graph is automatically put here, and you just need to deploy it. That's it. This is the simplest thing. Then here is the GBP optimization. Right now the GBP is not connected, so nothing showed here. But let me share you another thing. I can just go and connect another site. For example, this thing. And if I can go GBP optimization. Okay, so on GBP optimization, you should optimize, for example, special hours from here, booking links from here, add LinkedIn URL, add Facebook URL, and Twitter URL. Then you make sure that your services is good here, category is here, and description is here. Okay, so this is the basic thing that you can do. And the next step is local citation here. If you think that your local business you need local citation services, you can uh, ping us. Because on let me share, I'm sharing the honest opinion on the auto. And in auto, local citation is a little bit costly. Okay, so I'm not recommended this, then you can go to GPP post, because as local citation is very cheap as compared to this thing, they're giving the very extreme. Then you make sure that automated posting is on, and the setting is, let me share the setting. Auto optimize frequency is this thing should be enabled. Start posting today, AI image all days, AI generated all images. Then post automatically, that's it. Do not publish reviews as post. Okay, this is also an important thing. Then you can go to the next, reviews. Make sure that you should auto respond on, right now it's off, but make sure that this thing should be on. Okay, so automatic response should be there. Then you can see press release in cloud stack. I have already make a separate video on this thing, so you can see how you can add the press release. But this thing is extremely good, like wildfire. It's extremely good in SEO, because if you think that your site is good and if you want to exchange link, you can exchange from here. This is the whole video that I want to share with you. Let me know if you have any question. If you think that this video is helpful, please subscribe us, comment us, and like our page, like our channel. Thank you so much.